Okay, so I'm back with this video here. Today I'm going to show you that how you can get free Windows VPS for yourself. Now as you can see that I've already uploaded a lot of videos in my this YouTube channel previously, but the problem is happened when I got strikes sharing the Windows VPS type of videos and edu email type videos and other secret videos. That's why I stopped those videos uploading here, but today I just create another video according to that VPS and upload in this channel. If you come over to this channel here, you have to click here and go for this video. So just go here in this video and let me show you how it's just in Bangla language, in other language, but I can show you how it's done. So the link here in my first comment, so you can click here and go for the link. So when you come over to this link, you have to sign up your with your Gmail or Yahoo Mail or any of your mail to this to their site. Now after you sign up with your email, they are going to send you a confirmation code. So you have to put that confirmation code and fill that captcha. After that, you have to go for the next tab where you have to fill up your profile. Okay, so creating a profile is very easy. Just give your email and the country information and for what purpose you are want to use their VPS, and also the category of your level. You can choose beginner, intermediate or advanced. It's up to you. Then go for the next and you are all set. Now it will take some time to process the permission, and while it taking some permission, it will ask you for a phone number. So you can give any of your phone number what you are not used earlier in verify this Microsoft account. So basically they are giving you 1 hour VPS for trying. Now when you just verify your mobile, it here is the option for review permission. Just click here. When you click on review permission, so you have to accept their all terms and condition. Now it will load for a few seconds, and here you can see an option called Azure Portal. So click here. So when you click here on Azure Portal, they are going to give you some information in instructions. Now if you scroll down, you will see that there are servers what you can use. There are Japan, Brazil, Australia, East US, West Europe, Central India, all the servers you can use for yourself from the virtual server. Now from here you can see that our sandbox is active for 1 hour. Now we can use that sandbox to create our VPS. Now for our next page, you can go over here and click on the number 3 option for our Azure services virtual machine and click on create a virtual machine. So here you have to leave all the setting as it is and click here for the code here and name any virtual name, and the reason you can select any reason server. Then here from the available image you can select any Windows server like Windows 12 or 16 or 19, or even you can go over for the Linux as well. Now when your Windows selection is complete, you can come over to this section, administrator account. Here we have to give your username and password. Okay, so this will help you to log in your RDP. So make sure that you save all these instructions in your notepad, the username and the password to log in after later. Now just come scroll down and create here, create, and it will be created auto. Now wait, it will take a few seconds and you can see that deployment is complete. Then you have to click on go to resource, and from resource tab you have to click on connect and from connect you have to download that RDP file. Now whenever you download a RDP file, give here the username and password what you used to create the profile, and you can say that we are now successfully logged into your VPS. Okay, so if you forget to sign in your VPS and forget your username and password, you can use it for verify again your reset password. So let's see how we can do this. So you have to come back over your Microsoft Azure portal, and from here you can see the left menu. Scroll down and go for the reset password option, and from here you can update your password if you forget anytime your RDP. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and you can join our Facebook group, share as well for get new tips and tricks every day, and you can follow this tutorial as well to get free traffic to your CPM or CP offers and to your website as well. There are a lot of videos I upload. Hope you enjoy and you can use this video as well. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, have a great day. I'm going to end this video right now.